How to recover Genshin Impact account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Genshin Impact support. In this page you can see it says how do I contact Genshin Impact support. Click on it. The email address of Genshin Impact support will be available to you. You need to copy this email address and then head over to your Gmail. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now tap on Compose and then paste the email address that you have just copied before. In the subject you need to write account recovery, and then in this section you simply need to write that you want to recover your account. And then you need to provide your account details and your email address. Also don't forget to enter your last used password. Once you are done, tap on Send at the top right. Your mail will be successfully sent to the Genshin support, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to recover Genshin Impact account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.